Omega Network human node verification is now live. So welcome to Brain Tech. This is your first time coming across to my channel. Kindly subscribe and check the link in the description section or comment section of this video and join our crypto community. In my previous video, I make a video about Omega Network, show how about this project works and step by step and what is upcoming. And now the human node verification is now live. So in today's video, I will guide you through step by step how to verify your Omega human node verification, which is the facial verification. So to start your verification, what you need to do is to tap on the profile section here. So once you tap on it, you can see verification. So you tap on the verification. So you can see human verification. So the first thing you need to do is to tap on verify. So you can see this is a tutorial that shows you how you do during the verification. So you slide your head to up, down, and go side by side. You can see please wait. So it will highlight here and you tap on it. So let's wait. So here you tap on start. So after complete the live checklist, so you can see it is initializing. So you can see congratulations, your face is successfully registered for Omega Network human node. So guys, that's how basically about how to do. So tap on done. You can see verified human. You have already completed the liveness check and are verified as an active human node on the Omega Network. So guys, how about it? So you haven't started on Omega Network, guys, I'll advise you to register by locating the link on the description or comment section of this video. So guys, that's how about it. See you guys in my next video.